In this video tutorial, I will be talking about independent events. What is an independent event? It is where you have two events, A and B, and the probability of event A occurring does not affect the probability of event B occurring. Now, how do we find out the probability of independent events? It states that you're going to multiply the probability of event A with the probability of event B. So let's take a look at an example. In this question, it says that a game requires players to roll 2 dice in order to move the game pieces. The dice are labeled 1 through 6. What is the probability of rolling a 2 or a 4 on the first dice? So that would represent event 1. And then rolling a 5 on the second dice, which is considered event B. So a dice only has 6 sides. How many of those 6 sides occupy either a 2 or a 4? Hopefully you're thinking 2, 6. And remember to always reduce the fraction. So 1/3 is the probability of rolling a 2 or a 4, which is considered event A. Next, event B, rolling a 5. Again, a dice only has 6 sides. Out of those 6 sides, there's only one side that has a 5. So now, in order to find the probability of rolling a 2 or a 4 on the first dice and then rolling a 5 on the second dice is simply the product of both fractions. Your product is 1/18.